Rangba Khubborjylla konrat ki sangma haka khar artrik leber hajar pusau ulaong baka Ishu Uranium Kadei ka yap ka im Jong ki Paidbah berkumta kum ka sorkar ka yang scam Halor ka ni ka nongrim habakaran bat kilat patai Khubor Menteri Rangba ulaong bakimla aban khang kinu ki seng ban tho syaka sorkar India tang baka kamram joka sorkar ka longban ailat satya ya ka kamti uranium ha Khubborjylla.
Been very clear from day one. Number one is that organizations can write. I cannot stop an organization from writing to Government of India. But that does not mean that's the stand of the government. For us, we're very clear that without taking people into confidence, without looking at all the scientific aspects of things, we are not going to allow the uranium mining to take place in our state. We're very clear about that. It is regarding people's lives, it's regarding people's health, it's regarding the future of our state. While there may be concerns from individuals who may want this and other certain sections may want to move forward in this, it has to be addressed in a very, very careful manner. And as I said, we have to take people on board. We have to be very carefully studying the impact of these things. And till then, we have to ensure that no step is taken in that direction in any way, because as I said, this is regarding the lives of the people and the future of our people. Communication from the center to us.